is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
What is going on, you guys? It has been a while since we've posted a video. We filmed a lot when we went to work in Texas, Montana, and a few other places, and we filmed the whole thing. Just didn't have time to make the videos, and I went to buy Landon a camera and put my memory card out of my GoPro into his camera and erased everything. So I don't know why that was, but it formatted the card, I guess. And so it's very unfortunate, but today's update is we are selling our RV. So that's what this video is going to be about, is a walkthrough of the RV. My camera's acting funny, so I'm having to use my phone. I do apologize for any bad footage, but it's a 2020 Keystone Carbon 403. I think it's 45 feet long. Has a triple axles. It's a toy hauler with the let-out porch on the back. But yeah, so if you're interested, you can email me. It'll be in the description. Also, my Instagram will be in the description. You can message me on there. Either way is fine. Make sure you subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos. We're going to be building a house. Once we sell this, we're building a house. We're working on property right now, so we'd like to take you along that journey and show you some tips and tricks and maybe inspire you to build your own house. It's definitely the way to go if you can. It'll be our second house that we've built. With that being said, let's get to it. All right, so it's a 2020 Keystone Carbon 403. Walking in, we have the kitchen right in front. Microwave, a 3-burner stove, which we've only cooked on once. We normally have in that drawer there, we have a square skillet we cook everything in, just to save propane. We use our toaster oven. Got cabinets up here. You have tons of storage. A pantry. That one right there is has your controls for your slides and everything. And then all the storage up there. We have the living room, refrigerator. We have the theater seats that go there, 2 recliners, but we took it out for the Christmas tree. And we also have a bar table that we built to go there. We'll put those pictures up. And TV, there's storage under the TV and above it, above the door. That is the toy hauler room, and we've converted it to the kids' bedroom. They make a ceiling, a unit that can go in the ceiling for a third AC system, but that works fine for us. So I do have the original couches that go in here. They're just leather couches, and they fold down and make a bed. And then we still have the queen that comes down as a bunk bed. So then if you can have the 2 couches made to a bed, and then that comes down and makes a bed. We have a half bathroom here, toilet and a sink. But we have converted it to a closet to hang more clothes and store stuff on shelves, which I can leave in there or I can take it out. But it's a 8-foot by 13-foot garage. The ramp lets down and hangs level with the RV, and actually has like a swivel out gate that gates the whole porch. And we have stairs that attach so you can come up and down the porch from outside without coming through. Second entry port right there. So the garage is its own thing. It does. They do make a sliding glass door that goes over that. So if you have the ramp down, but this one has the mesh that just comes down and locks. I guess if you wanted to leave it open. That is an exhaust fan, and it's got a rain sensor. So if it starts raining, it'll close, and it's all electronic. We got 2 speakers back here in the garage. And then, like I said, you have the L-shaped couch here. Sorry about the camera. But you have storage under here. And then you have the 2 recliners that go here, or the table. Or you could do whatever. Do whatever you want. You could build a day bed. But that's our Christmas tree. And we did put these lights in. And then up to the master bedroom. So you have an AC unit in this room by itself, storage under the nightstands and above the nightstands on both sides. This is your 3rd slide, which is a closet. So these 2 are for hanging space. Those are 2 cabinets, and then 3 drawers. Since that is a slide, we had to use this TV mount, and it slides off the wall. So when we're traveling, we lift the TV up and put it on the bed, and then yeah. So then we have the bathroom, which is accessible from the bedroom or the hallway. And so it's just it's laid out pretty nice. So you have room. The shower is very spacious. You've got these 2 cabinets that run the whole length of this wall, so they're deep cabinets for storage. The shower is a trifold sliding door, so it doesn't take up any space, and it's very big as well. It's got the sunroof, or not sunroof. It's got the skylight, and it gives you more room for anybody that's tall. So you're not hitting your head on the ceiling. But yeah, so that's it. Look at we switched the trim around the door here. We also put the black behind the beds, and then in the bathroom as well on the walls. Let's see if you can see it like this right here. And then that's it. It's a great RV. We don't want to get rid of it, but we've got things that we need to accomplish, and we're definitely going to get another RV down the road, something maybe smaller, but this has been great to us, especially living in it full time. Like I said, I do have the original couches that go here. I will throw those in, and I can leave the beds in. I'm going to take the mattresses, but so share it with your friends, like the video just to get the word out there. It'll help YouTube promote the video, and we'll be posting it on RV Trader in the next week. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you on the next adventure.